We have no relationship with MKP. And even worse now when MKP has made it its program to recruit leaders of the EFF.
Lengenye yezinkulumo iMK Party ethi amalungu ayo angeke aphendule ngazo ngoba zikufaka umunwe esweni.
That constitution says you will not be attacking other political formations, even under provocation. So in fact, the more you provoke us, the more quiet we're going to be.
Iqembu Umkhonto Wesizwe Party lithi angeke libize amanye amaqembu aphikisana nalo ngezitha ngoba lelo gama linomlando ongemuhle kwezombusazwe ikakhulukazi esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal.
We will never regard any organization, let alone a progressive one, as our enemy. The word enemy is a very strong one. It's used only when you intend to do certain things in politics. There's a difference between opponents and rivals and enemies. So we do not take the position of calling any black person our enemy because they are our fellow oppressed people.
Iqembu Umkhonto Wesizwe Party liphendula ngalokhu nje limatasa lilungiselela umcimbi wokubungaza unyaka lasungulwa nozobanjelwa enkundleni yezemidlalo iMoses Mabhida eThekwini mhla zi-15 kuZibandlela.